If you want to remove audio from video on phone, here's how you can do it. You have to simply open Play Store and search for audio video editor and mixer. After that you will see this application. It have 4.0 rating right now. Maybe whenever you check it will reduce or increase, but it will be around 3.5 to 4.5. Then you can open that application. So once you have opened, you will see two options, which are audio tool or video tools. We'll go with video tools. From here you have to go to change audio and simply select the video you want your audio to be removed. From here you can change audio, mix audio, or even mute the file. So I'll go with mute and then hit save. Now I will see a pop-up to save the file. You can simply change file name or output folder if you want. I'll go with as it is and hit done. Now it will take few seconds or maybe couple of minutes depending on the video length and file size. Once it's done, you can go to that path and check if your video is there and it's muted. So that's how you can remove audio from video on phone. If you like this video, hit like, subscribe and comment if you want more tech videos like that. See you in the next one.